Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are about to visit Mas Nevie. We actually drove up this morning, so you did not get to see the journey because we have some groceries for him and water, which was a bit difficult to bring, so we decided to drive up the bad road. So thanks be to God we are here. So please do remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be notified. All right, so here goes. So definitely I'm gonna just take one and then
you can bring two?
I can bring two.
I'm gonna carry the box.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
This is our plan B.
Yeah,
Plan A, I want you did want to carry.
I want me to carry, so plan B this. Mas Nevie, morning.
Nevie, warm to you, Nevie.
How you do?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
I'm still a blower.
Yes, man.
No, come back. I'm still now.
You don't know if
what make you dance so? What make you dance so? You want to fix? You want to see every day?
And every day, but a long time.
What do you mean long?
How long?
Around 2 months now.
Jesus have mercy.
Yes, man.
No.
This is coming at 2 months.
You see how you sit down and check how long we come here? When last you come look for it?
But you see, you don't know, so I can't come. And if I could come, you don't know, so that's me, man.
That's you too much.
Oh, God. And that's it, that's me too much. So, the most glad to say,
Oh, boy.
You can't come. I would have seen you too much.
Too much. We still glad, man. I dread, you know. Me I say, me know what I want, you know. Me know what I want. Me have sympathy. You don't know, man. For me, no.
Busy enough people. We have to.
No more. I have to say, boy, home from home. Me I hear what I want. Me I feel glad me get through this so. But some people not even know where to live yet.
Yes, that's true.
I hear everything. My father used to can't do without it. Give me company, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm still glad for soon, man. To this man, every day is a thing run out.
Yes, see me? You sure say yes, see me?
Yes, I'm sure this one see your wife.
What color me have on?
I color, you know.
You don't know what color, what you know, so we there, so.
Yes, sir.
You follow advice?
Yes.
Oh,
So
boy.
you go on with up here?
I'm going not much, you know, take it easy, brother. Me I say,
Up here cool though.
me I say, party Jade for me.
What to you?
What to you now?
Everything, food, everything run out.
You run out of food?
You run out gun.
I don't know. But God is the mid-seal. Belong to the house and I consider say, I don't know. And,
So you don't know how to send one message to it like how you always do?
yes, but me know,
send
say,
message to it.
me know, but me know, you know, several, but me depend several, but I know I consider, but I tell you no must come.
Yeah.
You know from when we come check you?
Me know, man.
Tell me. Since you say you know.
Last one. And my guy come up here.
Yes, but him come back the day after we left.
And take his zinc. And take his black them. And the lady from red pan, from that time, now saying come say, where's zinc there?
But
That time him take it.
no, and him take care. We tell him to bring them down.
So she could have called it.
Right. So I wish if you reach out too. She don't know. That's why.
She did send come up here, you know.
How will you tell him to bring it down?
Yeah, so she tell me, so the brother tell me.
Yeah.
So he tell me.
Yeah, we
But
give him instruction what to do. So she doesn't know. So that's why she sent up here because she don't know it come down.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
Right, but because him did have the van, we
Yes,
tell him
ma'am.
to just bring it
Bring
with a
it
easier for pick it up, you know?
Yes, man. Boy, still glad you see no brother.
Yeah, we come today. We not come to work my house today. Next week we are work my house.
Yes,
We just come to look for you and turn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we can go on now?
Mas Nevie, but you know too, say the holy rain we have fall.
Yes, man,
Make it harder.
and the cold front.
Yes.
Last week.
Because every time we plan to come last week, it rains and we can't get to come.
And everybody been get bad and all this in the rain for the time come.
You don't go to church last week?
No, sir.
So nobody no come check for you from church?
No, yeah, but same come ask how I go on.
Because they not see you come to church?
Yes, man. You want to see one good man come up and ask me, say, you must say how I go on. It's everything all right, you know. I mean, I'm putting it just.
Once you're not sick.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. So, Mas Nevie,
Yes, ma'am.
we have 2 donors.
Yes, ma'am.
One of them sent money for you for us to buy groceries for you.
Yes, ma'am.
And think give you like a pocket change.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah,
and then,
Come in and see your face and light up.
listen,
You know what happened to me? Sometimes when you carry groceries, come, you run out, you know, all the sugar.
It run out?
You know, he always
Yeah.
It's a go run out.
So when I carry factory coming up.
Yeah, if me even got 1,000 or 2,000, because I go and buy a little thing till you come back again.
But the supermarket I run out of grocery was much less.
But remember, say sometime when we come
no
leave.
name for going to party, believe
Yeah,
me.
but-
God, them, no.
No, give me name what we have.
No, me no, no.
But look here now, because sometimes when we leave you with change.
Yes, but that time I know. The last time I
you never get no change.
Yes,
But sometimes too, even if we left you with the change, you may run out because.
No, me that go down. I go down so in your spot, go buy.
But when you buy with that money and we not come, you still are going to run out.
Yeah, that's so it keep me a little longer.
Okay.
I first never run out, so me I tell her the truth.
So you
So
know,
what-
No, see the thing there.
So
No
on to the
rice.
part, Mas Nevie, you not get it again?
I mean, I get message and tell her every 2 months.
Every 2 months?
Yes, man. And when I get on $600, I must be there. You get
$6,000.
This amount of me get here now. I have nothing in there to get. But you me run out, me have to go down and go take.
Also, you have to pay the bill.
I pay a bill. So when time I say always go, me no get no time man at about parts. They tell me get it, man. I have to go get nothing left in there. So time I go down, I go ask him. That's why me go there to go ask him.
So all you have to pay the bills when you get
When
it.
me get it. So me no talk about the messenger.
And things get a little bit more expensive, you know.
When you want £1 of cash, I say me no have nothing. And you know say $200 pound.
Yeah.
Free cabbage. you know.
Yeah, vegetable price up.
So when everything gone, yeah, man. You go say give God the blue glory. God say if you give God for the good time, and give for the bad time. So that me do.
Yes.
No man, me no worry. Me say, but this a weekend now, this a tomorrow now. Me I said tomorrow now. But afraid that me say, God I don't know what I'm going to do. What you want tell him? I say, boy, I'm a fear wait too long. So by that me say, boy, me not go, me no go worry him, you know.
Oh, she said she have to wait too long. So how much I bill?
Right now, I must say around 4,000 me women now.
4,000?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, listen to that.
Okay, I'm here now.
Yeah, man, till the party.
When you get the money, you figure PR and I'm a
Then,
boss.
oh God, man, then after me want the things in one, I feel it, you know. So when me I go do it, I have to pay. So me tell him, say,
Better you pay and take again.
Clear than the building.
Tell bill come. So me tell him.
So at least she
So if
say you
you pay
pay.
$4,000, you could have take $4,000 more. But
Yes, me can't.
a fresh
A fresh bill.
Same
A new-
amount, but you fresh.
A new date. New date.
You would get it fresh. Yes, that's how it go.
Yes.
So it go, my family. But me I say that's how me hear the time I run. Me have to afraid for all the people we are sending for some people.
You rough man, them things.
Yeah, true. It's rough.
Me hear someone that talk up to this man over radio say if he get some money and when he go there, all the people them where he get send the money for the house them.
Yeah, the roof.
For the roof, then they left them place all my left from where
Children.
and go all down a month
to go bed.
I don't get no money.
No, what a sin, man.
Some of them for 3 days. One man went for 4 days straight and never got any money.
Up to the last time I hear the one that talk about over the radio, you know, to ask them about you by the radio. You know. You don't see it. To last time. Europe.
Them have to go collect you, but for you come to you.
Yes, sir, yes.
So you have to give thanks.
The thanks.
Yes.
For me, I say sometimes might be you know for you can't tell you tell me I say sometimes might be you know get through no not all neither so
Yeah.
I keep me on cross.
I'm praying.
But call women. Make somebody call you.
Yeah.
Yes, I
If you're not happy, you just call you.
Yeah, I true.
If you want to go take it from Miss Bev car come.
Yes, I true. All right, so.
And then you pay the bill after.
Yes, yes, man. Me,
So we take it from Miss Bev and you go pay the bill. Okay, so my 7 minutes are finished. So it's 2 donors.
Yes, ma'am.
1 cent money for us to buy the groceries and to give you a pocket money.
Yes,
and then the other 1 cent money for you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yeah.
So we want to bless up the donors
God
and tell them
bless them,
thank
man.
you and let them know that we know that things are difficult
Yes,
at
man.
times on your end, but you still nonetheless make the sacrifice for which we are greatly appreciative. So thank you very much,
God
and we pray
bless
that your
them.
store
Thank
basket
you.
may never be empty.
Thank you. Now go help them so much. God bless them.
Yeah.
Yes, God for.
But we still have to say thanks.
Yes, God bless them. For boy, for the God. God, you know. Yes, I don't know what am I. After that week, yeah.
Yeah.
After that week, we in here, you know. I tell you the truth, last night party.
And the pot on the floor empty, huh?
You know, see, you know what last time I have to do? Then I have to just put 2 flour and put in here and choose oil pan it. This man, me fire up one. I said, when I don't play that, nothing.
Oh no.
So see, God
Give up on the pot.
Yeah.
You know, for the end, no food, I don't make one more.
That's true, man. That's true.
The next time you do that, when I come back up here.
That's true. Me would just see, me couldn't know.
Just send a message, man.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
like when the gas done and you make we know.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, man. Well, me glad to hear that. No.
Yeah.
So you're not time first to hear that. You never hear first time.
Yes.
See about the saying something. So we bring you 2 jug of water, you know, sir?
Man.
How you fix up our pants foot?
Me I tell you, say, and not me want like I water for Miss B. Look there. The brother put 2 big black. Look, the 6 inches black. Then he put pan it over the side, and then go they go take off the black.
Somebody come take it off?
Yes, sir.
And take out the water?
They put it on a ground. Put the black on ground. So me I say,
Drop off one.
no, how it can't black. Me 6 inches black party. Me say 6 inches back, you know. Look on them.
One day funny.
And me put it back funny.
Oh.
Oh, but this drum full.
Yes. But they can't take off the black. No, I put it on a ground. So me I say, well, I wonder, you know.
Oh, you don't want to drink
Me
it?
no want drink it.
They can't drink no out of door.
Yeah.
No, sir. So me God bless you for the water, yeah, master. You know, say, I really fall. I make it some water. I fully bucket in the house, you know. I put in the house, you know. I me drink till you part they done, you know.
I fall on you set your bucket.
They don't hit man, see there. See them set it.
Yeah.
And the part they done, you know. So you see water, you know. I mean, I drink it, you know. You see, I've got to help me, me want to drum.
One black drum.
One black drum, yes.
Yeah,
Oh.
That's it. You know, not too much problem.
so you cannot open the window and make breeze come in sometime. You can't remember if you're lucky.
I don't know if you open it yet.
I'm lucky back with you.
Oh, okay.
Open, open up, no slide.
No slide.
Yeah, in here warm.
Get breeze when you're hot.
Yeah.
You feel the breeze are coming now.
So when you say you're cool now, you're hot.
Yes, sir.
You're hot now, not you?
Yes, man.
Turn out this.
Now who give you fertilizer, man, Nevie?
I did brother, why so beg me put it down in our house, yeah. The one there before me. You see him.
Oh, we save it for you.
You see him, daddy. For him, daddy and Nancy, you didn't know Miss Nancy, sir. I mean, I never didn't know Miss Nancy, but for him, daddy know Miss Nancy used to cook for him.
Oh.
The brother buy. So, and I mean, every evening, I will run so the man live. And every evening, I have to get dinner, go give man, you know.
Yeah.
And the man gone a foreign, you know. Woman come out here and take me and married to him and have him a foreign. And they must say, if him did what they not go come back here. So I saw them come here and want to see me. And no see me used to carry their father dinner. Go give them.
Yeah.
I just when you go and start every day they cook what they give me. Yeah man, I used to get dinner.
Yes.
Every evening.
That's good what you do, man. Get that now.
Oh God, and them are picking you think could I tell them that? They not do it, you know?
No.
Every man them are forced and afraid of them. That's why they say people are said somebody you said that can't give me no. And when I do me go look. You see the boy put the food are grown.
Yeah.
I climb him and go tree. Ah, the food are grown. And I say then Jesus sing post in the dog coming in the
I still have to give you.
He's still happy me. So he said, I good with me do man and the brother said that you know I went there come and give me $500. So, and the daddy, they are foreigner when you used to go to the church out of my size there. If you got to the call him man. I'm supposed to know I know Carlton. I know Carlton, I pay the son. But they live when you go down on the road there so. And he live on the road there. And Nancy used to cook for him and nobody coming like me. And one come from foreign and side for him. And take him away. I'm married to him and they are foreigner now. I don't think they don't live before but they must say, nah, you're funny for the woman, you know.
Lock him up.
Lock them up. So instead of him the house down there, him about Decky. One of them they have one more time, one of them up here. So after them, very so. Two bags me, I want to take back one.
Okay.
Good.
How you look up the sofa? Yes, I look all over the place. So, you know, now you live in here?
Yes, sir.
So unless you hide, you know, we see.
When me feel high, you know. I search me, I look.
So when we come next week, we're coming to seal up the top.
Yes, man, but maybe beg your brother said that if you seal it, you know, if I store so hot and so.
Yeah,
we have come finish.
Yeah, so we'll try to coordinate it for next week.
In your bathroom and
man. Oh, God. God, man.
So you can get a long time to get one good shower, don't you?
But minutes out, I do me a
one washing machine where I can't control you in it.
Yes, sir.
You are a good scorer.
Yes, man. Out, I do me a beard, man.
Yeah.
So me that glad we could about.
I'm sure living there, you can't be out there.
Yes, man. Me beard out there. Yes, sir.
So how you clothes then? You get the clothes and wash and so?
Peter did wash them now.
Oh, she wash the sheet for you?
But the one them, you can't be there now.
The new set?
Yes, me never get the wash. I me say.
You wear all of them already?
Me carry wear them. Or it's same time we go to church. When we go to church one Saturday, me see our brother come and I tell me say boy, it shut no.
Say dirty.
Say dirty. So at the same time,
Oh yeah. After that, we bring the clothes.
It said like this a week here. And next week we could have able to wear them.
Yeah.
Look for me that we go beg people to go watch us.
Yes.
Me get 2 new shirts and 2 new pants. All one of pants not irritate.
Yeah.
So God always prepared for me, man.
Yes, man. Sister Petal washing machine fixed now?
Yes, man.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
What my tell me say every month we go them go casting at the church so they come in like say a day for day in the pan and over them God this at church now. And the church no when they go at the church if you come there.
That's how you walk.
So that you know have it right now. But me no don't take clothes now still.
Okay.
So go me and so don't take them there. You can't wash them this. Only pants them you can't wash. But me wash shirt, you know, with the machine. Yeah.
So you did tell if you can't bleach for you next time, so we bring it?
Yes, man, they want to bleach, man.
And soap powder and stuff?
Yes, them they are good thing, miss you do, man. The soap powder, me run out of that.
Yeah.
And soap. Bathing soap. Yeah, man. Go take me sing like so. I have no children.
Yeah, no, you have to children. You have children, we are your children.
You know, so we are saying.
You don't say that to me, Nevie.
You know, so we are saying. That's what we are saying. So me mean, man. Yeah, man.
Boy, we're children. Oh, boy. Quiet up here as usual, except for Mass Nevie's radio when we just came.
Yes, wow. I'm really Mrs. For it keep me company.
It keep you company.
Why you cry for?
No, nobody.
Why you cry?
To talk to. Why me radio?
Why you holler for?
Allah, I mean never had that yet.
You see water, someone no?
Oh, man.
A happy tears.
Never had that, master.
Like you shouldn't be holler for.
Never had that yet, man.
Ah.
Everything.
That even your father did never holler?
No, sir.
Oh,
You mad?
You not crying?
No, sir. And you tell me, say, when you dead, you know, before you dead, you tell me, say, in time ago, if you dead, Watch it.
Cry for him.
No, in a one barrier. And we have fun with Mikengo. Yes, we have fun with we bury him, man. When we go out to try them, when they are charge, we bury the ground and we walk for the dig. Me say that's a better way to can go up and but then.
So in a cost you money if you go down there?
I was a spring. Remember I said that.
You don't like they don't have a spring?
Right, so they just came from this to was a spring. But never had no money to that night, you know. My father never had no money to that night, you know.
They have land of farm or the cemetery?
Cemetery.
That's when the hospital. That's when the hospital used to be in Ulster Spring.
Yes.
Yeah, Patrick.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, and that time the hospital they are banned.
Oh, it did close already.
Yeah.
Oh.
They were banned, but him say how they want to bury so. Me tell the brother them, me tell the sister at home and he can't go no here.
Him no say down there bury?
My sister?
No.
The father.
No, don't they want to
You say he want to bury down there like he can't try himself.
The glad he don't bury that chair too, you know. Me tell you no bury that chair bad. But when you did that chair and you did that chair, the people just go worry body and talk foolish and you know.
Yes. But you don't know what happened my fall, but
Well, you better me.
you can't go bury among strangers.
Yes, you better that. Yeah. You know it's a stranger help me what me want.
Yeah.
When my sister son come say, then they go help. They go help the family, you know.
Come to your rag match, Nevie.
Yeah, rag with me no, but I put them out here, you know, so.
You must keep on rag with your man.
You got rag the other day, right?
Yes, ma'am, I had them,
Put them in a suitcase.
When you like how you do that now.
That me I say, sir. That me say me there, me afraid for me. I say, boy, how me hear the things that go on and how me man about me. I say, boy, I don't know how me go manage. Me I tell you the truth.
You don't manage,
But me I
man.
manage.
Yeah, wrong way. Next way.
But I tear it up.
Yeah, you come off of it.
Maybe I have just cut off the episode that's not going to offer.
Yeah, I never know say you could have tear up so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See, you think them there.
Wow. Alright, Mass Nevie, we are run left here now.
Ask you one question. So you not get no children to come up and in the house today?
No, you don't that. That.
And wife, we were talk about how long. Children and wife.
To them.
That we are
No, but that's you.
No, sir.
I mean, the world see you.
That me see now, that is when I see that boy, me and my wife and so, but the wife is, sir. You hear what the wife do me? But that the woman do me, when me never know. That's what me I tell you. So
You did have a wife?
I'm married, I told you. Know.
You did married?
Yes,
Tell me
man.
that story.
So you never tell we.
I'm married, how a woman tell me, say, what 2 picnic have. I mean, you know the 2 picnic. The first man, we may have him, man used to go up foreign. So me and that, the brother, they're a good friend. We used to go up foreign, and the woman, if I want to come out that, you know. I mean, that the brother, a good friend. So the brother, now, he take train now, and go up, so. I never pay. And then pitch him up for a train and kill him.
Oh no.
And you take your woman?
Aye. Me take you woman for me the use to the woman and say I told children you have. And when me take a chat.
And you make them say you set up either?
No, when me after that, when me take a stock, you know say the woman have 8 picnic. Put on the children and them and never tell me. And me could manage them.
You run Nevie?
They are told this on me come away. Could manage him. But me Martin come along at you know. Come down and me give me all food and all and sit down and go back. And when I go out to my sister used to come look for me. And me used to get all food go give him. Man, I'm not old woman too. So indeed.
Well, she was older than you.
Yes, man. But all the people they must say, boy, wait, me married to him, must say, boy, me should marry to that woman for he could have been me married about. Me married to him still. But and he can't be me too.
Can mean say for married to her?
Yes, why tell me say why I want so go then walk out church and find somebody I tell you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know?
Because sweetheart life you don't have to live.
Yes, me. So.
And I say go.
No, so you go so. You just can't convince me so. So you go. Yeah, come along.
Yeah.
Say I have a picture.
No, sir. You tell me not know about picture. I go tell you, that I believe I live at all, I live on St. John's Road, you know. Yes, at that time, they have me worn out.
St. John's Road is Spanish town, man?
You know, so me I say.
What you say town?
They no town too.
Town of Kingston, no boss.
They live at town too, you know, Kingston too.
That town too.
We live at Kingston for a long time too, man. Most of my time at all is spent, you know.
Yeah.
I work at the one house and I never get to lose my work. I never lose my work.
On Hope Road.
Yes, 26 Hope Road,
Yeah,
Kingston 10.
You see it?
Yes,
You see it?
And we are to the party. Me I tell you, say, we can't tell you that.
Yes.
We can't tell you something, say. The day I never know, you know, I used to follow that. And come at town. I mean, feel me, I can't ganja, come give me and put this at tail in there. I'm mad me. I have to go a Bellevue.
Small things you got your Nevie.
I get so injection this is for me not go on bad, you know.
The worst.
For me not know go on, and you know that's why I say my daddy is man and my daddy have to come there. I go on Mother Ben too. And Mother Ben show him a thing and say must try to get me out. And when my daddy try to get me out, you know, say no, I want me to come out. For them I say they can't see me in this position.
Tie you down in a hospital.
Yes. I come out, man. You see, well, I tell you, all my people are no good woman no there, you know. And when they come here, Mother Ben.
Person is Jesus.
Yes, but Jesus give them knowledge, you know.
You do what?
If you look about you, family members say, God, if you're sick, you know, you're sick physician, you know. If you can't get better, you know, you have a sick physician.
What is this physician that you're supposed to
bat you, I'll give you.
Them they are witchcraft, my boss.
When somebody bat you?
Witchcraft, when you go to them the place, say.
Then how we get better?
That you believe that. That I feel believe.
No talk so much. Our man up here so. For what's up and the brother Howard. Not how you see the picking are dead. And you can let the picnic go get the man there. He might come back.
I want you.
So what brother Howard do?
And you know use no and they no charge you know miss.
Alright, yes. What him there now?
Dead.
No, say he shouldn't dead. Look here. Nothing what they do no work.
They how they about me up to last night. Me I hear them talk say them the people the physician. You can't get they have things where you can't cure. Up to the radio man I say I go once in they no hear them say they can't cure. That's cancer.
A bad mind they can't cure.
Man, I tell you say if you have any sickness, any kind of sickness up to the single leaf you can drink. You can drink mango leaf.
Yeah, guava leaf.
And guava leaf, and you can up to the chocho leaf.
Those are herbs.
The herb, man.
But you want to see a chocho sitting in a back and mix up.
Yeah.
No, I know them me I talk about, man.
Oh, you talk about herbal medicine?
Yes, people can do. God put people out there to do something, you know, for it. And every man out there have something to do, you know. You feel straight, you know. You know, say, God make you a trade.
But what you can do?
Me used to can do whole bad things, man.
So what you can do now?
No, with me, I know, and I'll know me if you go along see me pass it. Me if you go answer, but me can't sit down. See me.
I sit down right there, sir.
Yes, but
what you do now is tell we a story that you do.
yes, no, but me if you jump on same way, so me plant all the potato and so.
But we understand you can't manage.
You can't manage it again. But you think it's the first time?
When you take your man wife.
You think first time? I don't take me.
He died.
I don't take me. I man.
And she come.
Yes, and
she take you, Mas Nevie.
Yes, and you made it use to man, you know, nobody and the man they let me picking them.
So Mas Nevie, we want to say something. So the man a friend, good friend, best friend.
And he dead.
So you have eyes for the woman for the time there.
Me have no eyes for
then how you just get the woman so?
The woman have eyes for me.
Well, you have it in no more thing.
Mercy.
The woman have eyes for me.
So she never said nothing to you before a man dead?
No, sir.
He make you know?
But it's fun, you see them. Me they told we are go all about, you know, go show
Yeah.
What dance? Me and them, you know, like how you are your friend, them, and you and them,
Yes.
move on down and you have wife and all this. They are young man, them, you know, young man, you go all about, you know, you go to show, you go to dance, and drink your liquor and all this. So them, the time they, me never, I know, he say, boy, I them.
Where you look for?
That's in here, me look for.
That's what you're showing?
No, sir. I just came here.
Oh, I have. We have Mass Nevie. Cola or what?
No, no, cola, me know that.
You know that one?
Yeah, fresh cola. That's climate change, you know. Alright.
Yeah.
You still look good though.
I have to go on, so she will cut it.
Yeah, take care of yourself.
Yeah, I mean, if you not take care of yourself, nobody not take care of you, no matter. You have to check. Yes. You have to take care of yourself and not worry yourself in a life. Life is just a thing where you just go on till you do it. No matter where a man go do, one day we still have a part this out here.
But you have to live a good life.
Yeah. Up to a while ago, me hear one of the talk say, "Like a baby, you're sick and dead too." So we tell me, "Let say them time
Yeah.
You have to give that thanks.
About that say last night say a man forgive forgiveness. Okay, we a man do say the God forgive man 60 say how much time. So you have to forgive. Give people, no care what they do with you. You have to forgive. But if a man do things you can't forgive him, but you can't, you know, you forgot.
You can't forget. But you have amnesia.
You're right, but you can't
forgive him.
Yes, sir.
So you don't talk about it.
Right.
If you keep talking about it, that means you don't forgive him.
Right. So you have enough forgiveness.
You can't forget.
But you can't forget. So.
The Bible never says if you forget.
Yeah. But you have to forgive.
Forgive and don't forget.
Yeah, but God forgive we, you know.
Yes.
When the little sin we do, God still forgive we.
Yeah, you better not do no more.
I don't do none more. I mean, I no man in my heart. I must them have me. I attack. You know, I'm going to tell a man how to make my time. For me, now we to come. No care what me see a man have.
Yeah.
Me never go to me party time. Me never reach him nobody. You know. For me, that like every man. Picture you have something, you know. So man don't that. If they see a child, they will cut you long and bad man you. Then I just you know me can't say about look how long you been in that roller. Look how long in that roller that come up. And go all about time you know for bad man. No sir.
Oh boy.
Me never had that man for me heart.
Me a trouble there, I'm a general.
Never. But so man, they want to see you have nothing.
That's true.
Oh, they want to see you so you know, some people when they see come big, they're glad. If you have to talk.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes they are me watching and me say me.
You know, give them that satisfaction at all.
No, sir. No.
Nobody chat.
No, sir.
Better you chat them.
Yeah. Now we'll do that.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
So yeah, your children in the garden school today?
Yeah.
Yeah, she did school.
So yeah, go back for here.
Yeah.
So you think we come fit along with you?
They no good time.
Long time.
A boy could probably the conflict for real for me.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I say, boy.
I seen him yesterday past the gate.
You know, I left me out.
Yeah.
So until you see him come back, I'm just going to look for me.
You can look for you. That's good though.
Yeah, man. That's what I tell you, man. Then the book brother, when they are comfort, man, me and them, they pan down. Run off the place there.
Oh, yeah, him could have pan down and a little boy that.
Bunny? Yeah, long time. They didn't, how we are a little boy.
A big man then?
What is that, God?
I must say because he's short.
When you reach 40?
I don't think so.
40 yet? Or maybe my 40.
Both members say no.
Short thing keep.
My father, they know. My father, daddy.
You don't know your father?
Right, so.
You know my steady, you know?
You know that.
Yeah, and live in a big board house over there.
Yes, sir. You know that.
My steady.
I steady in father and him steady
what? This a man no man.
You know your daddy?
Shoemaker, good shoemaker man too.
Yeah.
Boss, a shoemaker, in build shoes from uppers go right up. And I could all have sold shoes. But for you, so can you tell Palmer there? You know why you tell Palmer, sir?
Which part that?
Right at Trail Square there. For Miss Harrieta being there. Harry. You ever know Miss Harrieta?
Me young but me not old.
Yes, but maybe that time my father never there. So, but they may have one place there right at Harrieta there. Right about Miss Harrieta there over there that side of the road. And the one name is Rosie. And the man that used to do Taylor work. And so my daddy used to build shoes. Rent and build shoes.
Yeah, man.
So what happened to your mother? I always hear you talk about your father.
My mother, you know, he come from Manchester. I know, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But my father don't take me away from my mother from around 2 years old.
Oh.
Come here and take me away. I can't go give me granny.
How much honor your father get?
He have that the girl at town and one watch her we. Me know have sure.
And your mother have how much?
My mother have 5 girls.
Oh, okay.
And you're only boy?
Yes, sir.
No, you're only man.
Yeah. That's my sister.
So you're only male for your father and for your mother too?
No, he have one boy.
Oh, yeah.
With their father in Lance. He called me with the content. How can me say? Me I say, my sister know me love. I just said no me love. But they say yes. So by that he doesn't check for me. You check for me for actually the one mother girl. He just said to me check for me. You check for me. And he tell me say me not go send something for me. And just said to me say you come at town and he never send it to him.
Oh.
You remember?
I remember. You can't have one brother, me and him have one brother now. No, what else I remember? Ask him my pastor. That's why I can't. The most. So I can't believe. Me I tell say nobody. Me I go to church there, you know. Me I go to church there, you know. And me I hear. Me I take with me and tell me. And do what God tell me to do.
Yeah, man.
For if you follow, you know, hear me here now. Over radio. One evangelist man, pastor man. 12-year-old girl at 20 years, you get him?
Yeah, man, if you go along.
12-year-old. And I got church. And I probably said church component.
Yes.
Jesus, God, man, and I say, pastor.
Sad, really sad.
A big road, a black road. Alright.
Alright, last name.
Yeah.
That's our cue.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we thank you so much for staying with us, and until next time. No, first I want to pick up all the donors, all the persons who continue to support us and watch us. Blessed love, and until next time, thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican.
Yes, man,
blessed love, stay safe and bye-bye.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mass Nevie time.
Yes, guys.
Mass
Nevie, I say thanks.
Thanks, man. Oh, God.
Can pass, you know, you don't think so? I think we blocked the road totally.
Myself, we take coffee back here.
You can't pass, man. There.
Pass him.
So I'm driving the bush.
Yes, baby driver! Alright!
Alright. Yes.
I
said, like, I don't have to go up with that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I see the claim anyway.
If you hear
Yeah.
I can't link up, you come up.
Yeah, oh boy.
Me give me that job over there.
No, that way is very long and it's bad too, you know.
Oh, God.
At least down the road there, then put some.
Then touch to the apart now.
Yeah, then patch it out a little.
You see what car and see they had on there, so on them.
Yeah, but them they're closer to down at the good side.
Now like a bad part if you come up to them and get the summer.
Yes. Alright guys, so just want to say thanks to everyone. Thanks to all our donors. Thank you for always supporting the work that we do. And thank you for helping us to help Mas Nevie and others. Alright.
Me glad boy. Glad to know from God on
The glad bag boss?
Oh God. I'm glad for.
Alright guys, so
nobody visible in here.
yeah.
The people that were sending for you or say him, man.
Yes, I'm good.
Say he.
You know that.
Alright guys, until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Yes, God.
Bye guys.
Bye bye. Bye bye.